My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Radar. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. So before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Radar ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. The ransomware then encrypts files and appends this ransom note titled as README for decrypt. The ransom note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So the ransomware is called like that because it is this name Radar is mentioned in the ransom note, and it appends this M0RZR extension to the file names. I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. This way, with premium license, your data would always be under the protection from the ransomware attacks, because it has got this anti-ransomware feature. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. Some threats, as I said, can be removed manually, but premium license is what you need to get your data always protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.